Having issues account warning error on TikTok? Hi, this is Erin, and here is how you can solve an account warning error on iPhone or Android. So let's get started. First, open your browser. Type TikTok appeal. Tap on the first link of TikTok. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap please send a report here. Now you need to enter your email address. Enter your username. Scroll down. Tap select an option. Choose account ban or suspension. Choose to tell us more. Choose other. Now explain your problem. Tell them to solve your issues and let them know that you will not violate any rules again. Now you need to attach a screenshot of the problem. Add the screenshot, mark all checkbox, tap submit. Now after doing this, you need to wait around 24 hours to let TikTok fix your problem. 24 hours later, your problem will be fixed. Still have a problem? Please tell me in the comment section.